Hey y'all, it's Labrisca with my Eclectic Treasures. Today I am making a Christmas tree box plaque using a canvas and a Christmas gift bag from the Dollar Tree. So the next thing that I am going to do is I am going to Mod Podge my image onto the canvas. I like to water down my Mod Podge. It goes further, doesn't dry as fast. And we are going to be using the iron method on this one. And so after we get our Mod Podge on here, we are going to let our Mod Podge dry. Okay, now that our canvas is dry, now we are going to apply our image, which is from a gift bag, onto our canvas using the iron-on method. So just apply it, just set it down on there, and then you're going to cover it with, I use parchment paper. You can use a paper bag, or you can just use like the brown paper. I like to use parchment paper for this. So you're going to take your little iron. You can use a regular size iron, or I use this small little travel size iron because it's great for being able to keep in your craft room. Go ahead and just iron over your image to activate that adhesive, activate that Mod Podge underneath there. We are going to do the edges of our image in this twine to kind of clean up the edges a little bit, and we're going to also go around the top with our twine as well. That's all you do, y'all. Check it out. This is gonna go on my tree box. So I can't wait to show you.